Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for February 12, 2020. Today we're looking at the USDCHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. Looking here at the daily time frame, couple of trends really to discuss. The previous downtrend over here on the left-hand side, clearly a downtrend, falling from all the way up near the 1.0 level all the way into the 0.96 level. Since then, we've been bouncing around between these two orange shaded areas down here near the bottom. I put a black box here showing somewhat of a range here. Support at the bottom a couple of times, 1, 2, 3 times, challenging into the mid 96s. A few challenges of the orange zone, 97.45, 55. Today, and over the past couple of days, we have been above what was resistance. These historical resistance on the left becoming support now for the dollar franc into 97.55.45. Market has been for the past couple of days above, so sitting now into it as support. Zooming in a little bit here so we can see that a little bit better. This is our support for the day. Into the orange zone. As long as it stays above it, the potential of continuing the current rising trend, the black trend line, is possible. Back to the yellow zone where we have found resistance for the past 3 days, 97.75, 0.9785. Of course, at any point, if we break above the yellow zone, we would likely look for the next target as the pink zone, 98.05, 0.9815. The risk right now is that the market stays bearish, gets back underneath 97.45, and begins its journey lower again, back down to the blue zone, 97.20, 0.9710. So this is really what we're paying attention to today, holding inside of this orange zone. As long as it holds there, I think there's a good possibility we take a little bit of a turn back to the yellow zone. Breaking there is the risk again, and we look for it to go lower. Let's talk about this. You know, in the live trade room, I often talk about 3 trading decisions you and I must make for each currency pair today. It's either we're selling it, we're buying it, or we're not trading it. Well, I don't think selling it right now makes a whole lot of sense sitting above this as support. Above 97.50, we call it, just kind of average that out. Above 0.9750, I don't think it's time to sell it. I think the only reason we sell it is that the market's successful in getting back underneath the orange shaded area in the 97.50 level, or it was back at the yellow zone, but it's not there. So if we're not selling it, the potential is we buy it, looking for the continuation of this rising trend, or we don't trade it. So that's what we we have to decide today. Are we going to buy this or wait for it to break underneath the orange shaded area? 4-hour time frame. We can see what happened yesterday. The market sold off all the way back down here to from the yellow zone to the orange zone, and then it's just been sitting in here inside this orange zone for the past couple of days. Again, no real signal that it's going to break underneath and stay underneath 97.50. In fact, the previous candle got down here to 45. The current candle pushing back higher. I would say getting back above, if we have an infusion of buyers again and it gets back above the orange zone, that would be a clear clue that we may be looking for it to head back to the yellow shaded area. Only if we get a candle underneath 97.45.50 would I expect it to go lower. So watching this today, watching for opportunities of a surge of buyers, maybe to take it back to the yellow zone or higher in the direction of the trend, or we wait for the breakdown underneath the orange zone for a reversal back lower once again. Historically, again, left-hand side, it tried to get above the orange zone, got back underneath it, went back down. Above it, of course, we know that challenging back to the yellow zone is a possibility. One last thing I want to do, take Fibonacci from the low. I haven't done this yet. Fibonacci from the low to the high. We are at the 236 fib at 0.9751 is the 236 fib of the current trend. 382 down here, 97.27. Well below the market, so it will need to break the yellow zone, or sorry, the orange zone before getting down there to the 382, 618, way down here at the pink shaded area. So watching this orange zone break below it, potential short opportunities towards the blue zone, holding this as support back above it, maybe look for an opportunity to go in the direction of the trend for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.